Hi guys, I'm Alicia Getty. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on a very exciting collaboration with my friend Ali Hanson and a few other creatives here in Kansas City. So I'm going to hand the screen over to Ali, have her explain a little bit more about what's going on, and then I will take you guys through the process of creating a custom dress for a photo shoot.
My name is Ali. I'm a mom, I'm a nurse, and I'm a model. I just got into modeling last year. I usually do runway modeling, but I also do collaborations with other people when they ask me to as well. I am going to be doing a shoot with SSG Photography, and his work is absolutely stunning. We're meeting at his studio space on Thursday downtown, and he sent me some inspiration photos, and we're going for like Hollywood-glam. He sent me a picture of Penny Lane in this beautiful Schiaparelli dress. I have put my girl Alicia up to creating me a dupe. I'm so excited. I know she's gonna eat this up. I really trust her vision and making this happen. And then Confident Beatdown, Allison Moses, I believe. I've never worked with her before, but she's done amazing work in the KC Fashion Week community, and also just like other models that I know of have had their face beat by her. So I'm so excited for these collaborations. I cannot wait to see what Alicia cooks up.
I started by drafting a pattern for the corset, and then I tested it out using some scrap fabric that I had. Now that I have confirmed that my pattern works, I am going to take these pattern pieces and lay them on this denim fabric that I have. I think that I'm gonna put the contrast seams that are already built into this, like old jean, I'm gonna incorporate that into the design, and now I'm just gonna get to cutting and then sewing. I had to be pretty strategic while I was cutting these out so that the panels were matching on both sides, but I think I did a pretty good job. Now I have all of these pieces cut out. I'm gonna do it again. Second set of panels is cut out. Then I also cut out some strips to make the loops for the corset lacing in the back. Next, I sewed together all of the denim panels to make the shell and the lining of the corset. I just had to make sure that I left enough seam allowance for boning channels. Now that the front pieces and back pieces are sewn together, I need to iron down all the seams, and then I will install the boning in the channels that I make by sewing lines on either side of the seam. And then once I do that, I will sew the pieces together and attach the loops. I've got all the channels sewn in, and now I'm just inserting the zip ties.
This is how it looks right now, for reference.
I trimmed a little bit of fabric to get the right corset shape, then I pinned the shell and lining right sides together and sewed along the top edge. After attaching the fabric loops to the sides, the corset was beginning to take shape.
Okay, it's late. Time for bed.
First thing in the morning, I started on the bust cups. I cut out some darts in the lining fabric and gathered the outside layer with the basting stitch. The top has straps now, and also the bust cups are attached to the corset. I got a little bit scissor happy and I made a boo-boo by cutting before I should have on the fabric, but I'm making it work. So what I did is I took this one little piece that I cut off and I attached it to this side of the top, and I'm gonna have like a slit right here. I'm thinking, what if I did 3 panels in the front, so there's like 2 slits? That could be fun, right?
Ali is going to eat this dress up. It is coming along. Right now, it's like giving accessory, right? Because the skirt's not finished, but I have 2 of the side flaps and I have to put the middle section in, and I might stitch it down just a tad so that way there's a little modesty there, and then I have to do the back as well. Stay tuned. It's almost 3 a.m. I'm almost done. I'm getting tired. Gotta finish. It's literally like I'm doing the final touches. This is me bent over pinning this. Look at my hair. Cute, right? And here I am deliriously sewing the rest of the fabric for the skirt. Luckily, this did not take as much brain power as the corset. Besides a minor detail on the inside I need to fix, I believe she is done. I just hopped out the shower. First things first, I do need to add a little bit of bias tape to the inside of this dress right here, and then I think I'm also going to take in the sides just a bit because I think it might be a little big. And then I will fix myself up. If she gets here and I look like this, it doesn't matter, but the dress has to be poppin'. Ali is changing into the dress now. She's gonna see how it looks, how it fits. Fingers crossed.
The dress was a perfect fit. Allison perfected Ali's soft glam makeup look and the photo magic commenced. Americus, a KC area model coach, helped Ali with posing and finding her groove during the photo session.
You're gonna feel it.
Make sure you follow Ali and the whole collab team and stay tuned for the final photos. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see what I create next, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more fashion content.